Number 35. The diagram shows a food chain in a rock pool. What will happen if the number of secondary consumers increases? So the food chain starts with seafood here, and it gets eaten by whales, and gets eaten by crabs, and gets eaten by seagulls. So it's a food chain that shows a producer, primary consumer, secondary consumer, and then tertiary consumer. So if the secondary consumer, which in this case is crab or crabs, they increase, then there are more crabs that eat whales, and if they eat more whales, the number of whales will decrease, and then the seaweeds will increase, and the seagulls will increase because seagulls will eat crabs, and they're more food now because the secondary consumers increase. So the answer should be C, fewer whales. Okay, cool.